why is G major so popular right now? G major is patternistically trending right now, which means it's in a time where it's just a really trendy chord for people to want to learn and for people to want to teach. But why is G major so unique from all the rest of the other chords? Well, it's not. If we break down the triad for G major, we'll get G, B, and D, which are the first, third, and fifth intervals of G major. So if you can make an E major formation with your last three fingers and slide it up to the third fret, that's G major, and that's how a lot of professionals make that chord. But a lot of beginners actually make it like this, because you're just playing three notes, and other than E major open, G major open is actually the chord that has the longest running series of open notes, being D, G, and B played open. So you're really just fretting the both G's, the one on the sixth string and the one on the first string that mimics it, and then you're playing the B on the fifth string second fret. This is how a lot of beginners make this chord, and it's kind of unique in that it does have the most consecutive open notes of any other chord. This is called a country G. You're just swapping the B on the second string for a D on the second string. It's my personal favorite way to make G major, and quite frankly, I think that it sounds better and it's more comfortable on the fingers than trying to do this and leaving the pinky out, or just trying to play it with your pinky. Just play it with all four fingers. It sounds a little bit better. It resonates a lot better. It's just a better way to make G major in general, really. But also, there's an easier way you can make G major, and that is by fretting that G on the last string, third fret, and just playing the last four strings of the guitar. This is the easiest way to make G. You're not using all six strings, you're only using four. But if you want to know a chord where you can play all six strings and only fret one note, there's a link to that short in the description.